In this video, we will take a look at Ordoro's manufacturing or bill of materials feature set. For example, I have my brilliant blue bike that I sell on my sales channel, and I can see in this BOM section that it's comprised of a handlebar, a bike seat, 2 tires, and the blue bike frame, and I currently have 3 on hand. To build more units of this bike, we'll go to the Manufacturing tab and we'll create a new manufacturing order. We add the finished SKU of my blue bike and set the quantity that we would like to order. From there, we can go take a look at this manufacturing order. And then whenever your manufacturing teams finish making the bikes, they can set the quantity that they've finished. Let's say, for example, they didn't finish all of them in one day. So today they finished 6, previously 0. They can mark that finished quantity. And then when they come back tomorrow, they can mark the other 4 finished. They'll see their previous 6 and click Save. From there, we can update the status of this manufacturing order to finished. And then if we go take a look at our brilliant blue bike, we will see that we now have 13 on hand instead of the 3. We can also take a look at our BOM components here and see that they have reduced by their respective quantities. 10 here, 10 here, 20 here, and 10 here because we received 10 full bikes. If you have questions about this feature, feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.